Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Okay, I have soldered together the new B plus adapter line to the line coming out of the 428 kit. I have my shrink wrap on here, and I'm getting ready to slide my shrink wrap over top. And then I have a dryer here, heater, and I'll use that. To shrink the end. There it goes. Got that in right there. All right. So that's now connected. And this is ready. I can now plug this into my AO28. There you go. There you go. All right. Okay, so I'll run that, get that tied down. I have some of these sleeves that I'll use on here, and put these down, and it'll make it neat. And that's what I'll do. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.